Hey guys, this is Bama Mobs here, and this is the trauma center at Carraway Methodist Medical Center in Birmingham, Alabama. This is like north of Birmingham back in 1970s, 80s, and 90s. #1 trauma center in Birmingham. And he's still, they're tearing the hospital down too, slowly coming down. Parking deck. So truly end of an era, man. A lot of people was helped here, especially this place. People come in all shot up all the time. And back over here, if you can make it out, that was the helicopter, Carraway Lifesaver. All right, guys, leave me a like and subscribe. See y'all later.